Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Oppo A16s does have the stereo speakers. And to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device, and one is right here, that's a phone call speaker. Next is at the bottom right here, and that's a normal main speaker. Now, to determine if it's a stereo, we'll need to play some music. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it. So clearly sound was coming only from the bottom speaker, and that means it's a mono speaker and not the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.